Good evening, Form 5. How are y'all? Selamat petang. Okay, I hope you can hear me. Hold on, give me 1 minute. 1 minute. Hmm. Hello, hello. Hello, testing, testing. 1, 2. Can you hear me? Mm. Good evening. Hi, Kirtana. Teacher, can we discuss the examples A to E? So, question where it is asked given that it's a standard normal distribution variable. Okay. Hello, good evening. Can you hear me or not? It's like my voice clear. I think just now it was not. Now it's there, right? Okay. What to discuss? A to E. Okay, before that, let me just welcome everyone. If you're watching this, this is your first time. The volume is low. The volume is low. Is it still low? Let me know if like you feel that the volume is too low or what, because yeah, actually I put the settings as the highest really. Okay, how's the screen? Everything can see, right? That is fine, right? Um, Now is it better? Is it now the volume is higher because I just increased the setting. Hi, good evening. Okay, those of you who are watching, welcome to today's live class. Okay. Uh, Today we're actually going to habiskan the topic. We're going to finish up the topic Taburan normal. Now it's better, right, Kirtana? I think after I just teacher only the volume. Okay, because I just increased the thing. Okay. Okay. Shall we get started? Okay, we shall get started with what is it that you wanted to discuss? The discussion A to E, is it this one? The one teacher is showing the screen now? Okay, sebab yang ni kita dah discuss, I think last class we already done, sudah buat this one, right? So we supposed to continue for the next part, which is how to calculate. Macam mana nak kira jika nilai Z tak diberi. How to calculate if the value of Z is not given. Yes, teacher, I couldn't finish. Oh, do you want to copy the answer first? You can screenshot first. Or did you go through or not? Did you go through back the video or not? Because kalau dah go through, if you can go through the video again, just this part only. Okay, later you go through this video, this part only means I'm sure you'll be able to understand, because what teacher did, teacher showed dua cara, right? One, teacher used the calculator. Another one, teacher used the table also, correct or not? So since teacher showed both ways, you in exam you can choose lah. If you ask teacher, calculator is easier. Of course, calculator is lebih senang lah. Tapi kalau let's say suddenly calculator dah rosak and everything, then you have to use table lah. Okay. How do you do in calculator, teacher? I forgot. Calculator, okay. You have the notes with you? Okay, this one, if you are using Casio 570, this, the black color. Okay, if you're using the black color, we use mode SD distribution. To press distribution, you must press shift 3. Okay, if using the new calculator, okay, the new one, you use menu statistics, the one teacher write. Okay, if there's also one more thing, actually one more calculator. That calculator actually, okay, you see the original one here, teacher got write, teacher ada tulis mode stat AC, lepas tu shift 1, then distribution, right? This one, this calculator is for those of you yang guna this jenis, okay, this type, but like a bit newer version. Yang guna the newer version one, you have to use the original. No need to cut lah. The one teacher cut there, you don't cut. Okay, jangan potong yang tu lah. Okay, so okay, don't worry. After we do the last part, kira nilai Z, I will still do a bit question regarding using the calculator also. Okay, I think the last part got some more question like that. Okay, today hari ni kita pergi kepada, okay, let's do this. Cara nak calculate. Okay, cara nak calculate, how to calculate the value. Okay, if Z is not given. Okay, sekarang ni Z tidak diberi. Okay. First, before we start, teacher want you all to understand this first. Okay, Z. Z always, selalunya ialah your paksi. Your x-axis is the Z, the paksi is your Z. So, whenever you want to find the value of Z, apabila kita nak cari nilai untuk Z, you must always see from the table. Okay, which part of the table you must see? Here, you must see this part. Okay, this one and this one. The outside part only you must see for Z. Itulah sebenarnya Z kita. Z, okay, lagi sekali ya. Yang bahagian luar. The outside one is the Z. All the outside. Okay. The inside, yang bahagian dalam, is actually what, teacher? Okay, the inside is this. This one, the luas. Or in English, we say as area. So the area, if let's say you want to find what is the area for that particular graph, what you must do? You must see inside the table. Meaning, pergi kepada jadual, tengok bahagian dalam, all this. All this is the luas. All lah, everything. Everything means, then you get confused. Everything until behind lah, this whole thing. All this is luas, area. So that you must first understand. That is the way to see the jadual. Okay, now, okay, here, if jika nilai Z tak diberi, if the value of Z they didn't give. Okay, how to know usually the question they don't give you the Z? You can know because of this. Okay, see here, Z lebih besar daripada M, isn't it? Z is bigger than M. M, do we know what is M? We don't know, right? So this is actually they did not give you the Z. But if they give like this, Z bigger than 2, that means this 2 is actually the Z. The number 2 is the Z. So, you just see, tengok jiran dia saja. Ni jiran dia ada nombor tak? Jiran dia tak ada nombor kan? So, kalau tak ada nombor, value of Z tak diberi. Tapi kalau Z ni jiran dia kan? 2. 2 tu ada nombor, right? So, kalau ada nombor, you use calculator. Kalau tak ada nombor, kita guna jadual. You must use the table. This is the first thing. Remember how to differentiate. Cara kita nak carilah. Okay, whether must guna calculator or must guna jadual. Okay, clear? So you see, just see the neighbor only. tengok jiran sahaja. Ni jiran ada nombor tak? Kalau jiran ada nombor, that calculator. Kalau yang ni jiran tak ada nombor, jadual. Okay, okay, so as you can see here, if they put M means, okay, dekat sini pun you must actually put M lah. It depends on the question. Like here, we can see the K, isn't it? So that's why dekat sini teacher tulis K. So it depends pada question. You have to see what letter they use. Follow the letter. Okay, let's know the basic first. What is the basic? Apakah basic yang perlu kita tahu? Okay, kalau luas, this entire thing, kita lorekkan. Kalau semua dilorekkan, maksudnya ini luas dia, the area is 1 unit square. The area. Okay. If half means half only lorekkan. Okay, like that. Half only lorek means the area is 0.5. Luas dia ialah 0.5 if half. Okay. Okay, if here like this, okay, this part, a small part on the right hand side, sebelah kanan, okay, they lorekkan. That means here your Z will be positive Z. Z kita mestilah positif. Okay. Tapi kalau di sebelah kiri, if it was shaded on the left hand side, okay, ni shading dia sebelah kiri kan. So here the Z will be negative Z. Make sure this one you fahamkan cara nak tengok your graph and how the lorekkan, how it works. Okay. So next one. If the resolution, kalau the resolution is very less, like very blur, what you change the resolution, cara nak tengok the screen resolution you can change. Okay. So sekarang let's look at the question. Okay, before we start with the question, right? Okay, teacher got 4 steps that I want you all to write down. 4 langkah. 4 steps, 4 langkah. So you follow this langkah, the steps, any type of question you can answer. Okay, first one. Z, this one I tell in English first. Z, draw nostrils. What is nostrils? Your nose, this lubang. Okay, the hole in your nose. That's what you're going to draw. Okay. And then number 4, table. Okay. Now you look at the BM1. BM1 it is a little bit interesting. So I'm going to tell a story. Understand the story, Okay. There's this 2 person, okay, named Zihan and Jad. Okay, 2 person lah. Okay, one is called Zihan, another one, the person is known as Jad. So Jad was sleeping. So Jad sedang tidur lah. Jad tengah tidur. Masa Jad tidur, apa yang Zihan buat? Zihan dia lukis cara Jad tidur. Okay, apa yang dia lukiskan? Okay, tengok First, ni ialah Zihan. Okay. Second, dia lukis. Dia lukis apa? Dia lukis lubang hidung. Kenapa teacher dia lukis lubang hidung? Okay, in a while you will understand why. Lukis lubang hidung, Jad. Okay, what does this all mean? Okay, now I'm going to explain one by one. Okay, Zihan, right? Zihan, the Z is actually, kita kena Z kan. If for example, kalau soalan, if our soalan they write X lebih besar daripada K lah contoh, you cannot use X. You kena change kepada Z. Kena tukarkan kepada Z. What is the formula to tukar kepada Z? Ingat tak? Oh, sorry. Formula to tukar kepada Z. X tolak dengan mean bahagi with standard deviation, sisihan piawai. So you must use this formula. If lupa already this, then better refresh back. Okay, so first step you must Z kan. Second step you must lukis. What you must lukis? You must lukis the graph. Okay, graph kan if you see it's a bell shape kan, bentuk loceng. So bentuk loceng tu nampak macam hidung tak? Does it look like a hidung or not? So Jet was sleeping, isn't it? So when he draw Jet's lubang hidung. Both side put lubang like that. So the third one will be lubang hidung. And the fourth one, Jet is actually jadual lah. You must see the jadual. Okay, why teacher want you all to remember the story? Easy for you when you want to do the steps. Okay, so you see teacher is going to follow the step. Cikgu akan guna step ni. Then when I do the step, you will understand, oh, this is why teacher following one by one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, see Okay, we go to next page. You just write down first, tulis dulu. You can write in English also can. You write in Bahasa also can. Okay, the story is the same story. The first one is Z. Second story is you must draw the graph. Third story is draw nostrils. Fourth, see the table, jadual. Okay, let's look at example 1. Soalan contoh 1. Okay. Jadi besar sikit. Okay, step 1. Step 1 Okay, step 1 you must make it into Z. Okay, you see the soalan, tengok soalan ni dia memang dah Z kan? So step 1 kita boleh skip. Tak payah tukar kepada Z. Sebab memang already Z what the thing. Okay, so no need to change to Z. It's already in the Z distribution. Okay, step 2. Step 2, you must lukis. You must draw. Draw apa cikgu? Okay, this is what teacher want you all to do. Lukis the graph. Okay, lukis 2 graph. You follow like teacher. Okay, lukis 2 graph. You see? Left hand side. Right hand side like that. Draw 2 graph. Okay, then you draw the bell shape. Lukis bentuk bell. Okay. Satu buat garis dekat sebelah kiri, another one you do garis dekat sebelah kanan. Memang always like that. One, you must put the line on the left hand side. Another one, you put the line on the right hand side. Okay, after that, you see here, lebih besar, isn't it? Bigger than, lebih besar, you shade, lorekkan going to the right. Kita nak lorekkan pergi ke sebelah kanan. You shade all going to the right side like that. Like this. Okay, both also you do. Dua-dua pun buat macam itu. Both also lorekkan pergi ke right. Okay, clear? Okay. Lepas tu, sekarang look at this. (0.2). Okay, 0.2, if you look at the graph, which one looks like 0.2? Yang mana nampak macam 0.2? Okay, teacher want to tell you all half is 0.5, isn't it? Half, separuh. Separuh ialah 0.5 kan? So 0.2 must be smaller, isn't it? Lebih kecil kan? Like this part will be 0.2, correct or not? So which graph here menunjukkan 0.2? Graph ni lah menunjukkan 0.2. Kalau yang ni tak boleh. Ni dah lebih daripada 0.5. It's already like more than 0.5. The lorek kan? So we take the second graph. So the first graph you cancel. We're not going to use the first graph. We're going to use the second graph. So second graph, here you write Z. That Z must be positive because it's on the right hand side. Okay, sekarang third step. Step 3, lukis the nostril, lubang hidung. Okay, lukis kedua-dua belah lubang. So here on the left and on the right. Okay, this is what you must remember. The lubang hidung must be, okay, the hole must be smaller than 0.5. Kecil daripada 0.5. Lubang hidung tu mestilah dekat bahagian yang kecil daripada 0.5. So, bahagian mana yang kecil daripada 0.5? The left hand side lubang hidung or the right hand side punya? Sorry, I have to use that word lubang hidung. I mean, it's so that you can remember, okay? Okay, which side we are going to use the nostril? The right hand side, is it? This one, isn't it? Okay, so go to your table, step 4. Okay, step 4, we're going to go to the table, jadual, and we're going to find 0.2. We're going to find 0.2, the area. Okay, go to table, find 0.2. Okay, let's see, where is it close? 0.2. 0.2. Okay, here we start. I think over here can see already. This one 0.2005, 0.2005. Nampak kan? Okay, but the one kita nak ialah 0.2, betul tak? So I don't want the 5, betul tak? Saya tak nak 5 dekat belakang tu. So what you must do? You must minus with 5 here. Kena tolak dengan 5. Oh, by the way, the belakang number all, what are the numbers at the back? If this is 5 means actually is 0.0005. Must have 4 digits behind. This one teacher taught already last 2 weeks ago. So you take just now your answer 0.2005, you tolak with this. Okay, when you tolak, bila tolak dapat tak jawapan 0.2? Dapat, you get 0.200, isn't it? Okay, so what is the nilai Z kita? So you ambil yang ni 0.842. Okay, so again first you cari the paling dekat 0.2. So teacher dapat yang ni 0.2005. Lepas tu tak nak 5 tu, we don't want the 5, so we minus with the number behind. So minus ready, we get ready lah, which is 0.842. Okay, so teacher pergi ke bahagian soalan tadi. So the answer is the Z. Z kita ialah 0. What was it? 482. 842. 0.842. So dah dapat nilai Z. Tapi actually this is not the Z. This is actually K. Okay, ini ialah K. So K, right, is the one you're finding. So K is 0.842. Repeat which part? How to calculate? The tolak, is it? Okay, going back up, we are actually finding 0.2, isn't it? Kita nak cari 0.2, right? Okay, so the closest that we can see is this 0.2005. This is the paling dekat. Okay, tapi 0.2005. Tapi we don't want the 5, isn't it? So you minus the number 5 behind. But behind here all, the numbers all here. Okay, if let's say ini ialah 4 kan. Actually this is not 4, you know. Itu bukan 4. Kita akan tolak dengan 0.0004. If this is 11 means this is not 11. This is 0.0011. So behind here, the minus part only is must have 4 digits like that. Teacher, isn't we use the value at the side? No. At the side, you use, okay, at the side, you use when nilai Z diberi. I got give this one last 2 weeks. When the Z is given, then only you use at the side. Kita nak. But then here, going back to our question, this one 0.2, isn't it? This 0.2 is the luas. So the area. So to find the area, you must use the middle of the table. That's why teacher find here, middle of the table. You cannot use the side one. Okay, you cannot use the side one. You see, when you draw your graph like this is Z, right? Okay, here I don't know the nilai. The don't know one is actually the cut, the side, at the side. Okay, the don't know one. This one we don't know, isn't it? Okay, we don't know means you must find here at the side here. Correct. Okay. So for now, the question that we did also just now we don't know, right? The question was like this only. Here it was 0.2, correct or not? This one I don't know. This is was K, right? Just now. So 0.2 is not, you must not go to the graph, not graph, sorry, table, and then, oh, I got my 0.2 here. No, not like that. The 0.2 is not the paksi. The 0.2 is the luas, is the area. So area where you must find it from the middle of the graph. That is why you must go to your table. Sorry, again I used graph. You must go to your table, find 0.2. Where is 0.2? See one by one. Okay, here got 0.2, 0.2. But we want 0.2 only. Behind we don't want number. If got number also, it can be 0.2000 like that can lah. Okay, 0.2000 like that can. Behind we don't want number. So you must see one by one. This is the closest lah. This is the closest paling dekat. 0.2005, but here don't have our answer, the luas, our luas don't have 5 what. So you must minus with the 5 here. You must tolak. So when you tolak, what happens? Tolak means tolak with 0.0005. Okay? 0.2005 tolak 0.0005, you get this answer. So this is what we want, isn't it? This is what we want, right? There, this one, where the graph this is what we want, isn't it? 0.2, 0.2, this is what we want. What? So since we already got ready what we want, go back to your table, see what was it, 0.842, because that was what we chose. What? 0.8, you start from 0.842. How it become? Oh, it didn't become like that. That is the formula, the format. Okay, that is the format. Please remember this. The format for the behind one. Okay, for example, if this is 4 means you must write 0.0004. Like that. If this is 20 means you must write 0.0020. Behind must have 4 digit, 4 numbers dekat belakang. If 27 means 0.0027 like that. Memang the minus. Remember this one. The format for tolak minus is like that. Okay, now this one is the important one. Do you get that thing? How teacher get 0.842? That is the important one now. You must be able to cari from the jadwal. Okay, never mind, don't worry. By the time you trust me, by the time we finish, got 3 more example, right? You will understand already fully. I'm very sure. Okay, memang akan faham. Okay, so sekarang I go back so 0.842 is it kan? Okay, pergi balik ke our soalan 0.842. That is your answer untuk K. Okay, don't worry. We do the next question. You will feel more, what is that? Clearer. Okay, more clearer. Okay, next one. Okay, B. Okay, first step. Okay, check first. Okay, yang ni Z lebih kecil daripada M. Okay, here the neighbors the neighbor don't have number. So don't have number means you must use jadual, must use table. Okay, must use table. So step 1. Step 1, you must change to Z. Kena jadikan dia Z. Tapi our soalan is already dalam bentuk Z. So tak payah. Don't need to do anything lah. You can skip step 1. Boleh skip. I'm going to skip because here is already Z what. Tak payah tukar apa-apa. Don't worry, later got a question where we will tukar. So for now, step 1, kita tak payah buat apa-apa. Okay, step 2. Sekarang kita nak lukis. Okay, how many graph you must lukis? 2 graph. You must draw 2 graph. Okay, so draw one on the left side. Another one you draw on the right side like that. Okay, draw the bell shape. Both also draw. And then put a line on the left, put a line on the right. Lukis garis. So you shade first. Okay, shade dulu sebelah kiri. It's going to the left. Okay, dah shade ready? I'm gone. I'm still here. Teacher is still here. I'm still here. I'm not gone. I'm here. Wait, see. Let me check. Oh, okay. Maybe the connection because it's raining very heavily here. Sangat-sangat heavy. So maybe most probably that's why I think. Okay. Okay, boleh ya? Okay, lepas tu, okay, dah shade ready. Okay, look at this 0.889. Yang mana nampak macam luas dia 0.889. Which one looks like 0.8? That's not teacher told you already. If I shade half means 0.5 kan? So yang mana nampak macam 0.8? Which one looks bigger than 0.5? This one, isn't it? 0.889 lah. Okay? Wait, I write like this. This one 0.889. So the first graph you don't want. You cancel off. This one teacher want you all to practice doing like this so that once you already feel like okay, saya dah boleh tahu cara nak which graph to lukis, then you don't need to lukis dua graph. Now I want you to lukis because you must practice first. Okay, 0.889, isn't it? Okay. So here what you must write. What letter? M. Why M? Follow this one lah. We finding the M what? Kita tak tahu M. Okay, now step 3. Step 3, lukis the lubang hidung, the nostrils. Okay, draw the nostrils both side. Lukis lubang kedua-dua belah. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, that's now teacher gave you all the clue. The lubang hidung mestilah kecil daripada 0.5 kan? Smaller than, which one looks like smaller than 0.5? Is it this A or is it B? Which one looks smaller than 0.5? Let me wait for your answer. Yang mana nampak macam kurang dia punya lubang tu dekat kawasan yang kurang daripada 0.5? A or the B? Okay, very good. B. Okay, so since we know already B, right? What you must do is Cari the luas for this. Find the area for that. How to cari? Take 1 tolak 0.889. Take 1 because the entire thing, the luas is 1, isn't it? So 1 tolak 0.889. 1 minus 0.889, I get 0.111. 0.111. So 0.111 lah yang kita kena cari daripada jadual. From the jadual table. So go to the jadual, cari 0.111. Cari 0.11. Okay, now let's go to jadual. Why teacher, why you didn't use 0.889? Okay, I want to tell you one more thing. You go to your jadual, you see your jadual, right? Your table, the highest also is 0.5. So kalau students nak cari 0.88, memang takkan jumpa. You will never find. So that's why teacher want you to ask you to draw 2 lubang hidung. And you must always take the lubang hidung yang kecil daripada 0.5. Okay? Okay, so now just now kita nak cari 0.111, isn't it? Okay, that is the luas, betul tak? Luas must see from where? Luas must see from middle of the table. Tengok daripada tengah-tengah. Okay, mana 0.111? Let's see. 111. Okay, here got 115, 113, 111. Okay, this looks good. Sudah dekat jawapan kita. Okay. Tapi kita tak nak the nombor 2. Nombor 2 teacher tak nak. So, kita kena tolak dengan apa? Tolak dengan, behind got any 2 not here? The tolak one? Tolak dengan 2. This one, So, macam ni. 0. Can see 1112 tolak 0.0002. So when you minus, we get, isn't it? 0.111. Dapat kan? Okay. So since dah boleh dapat, you take the value of the Z. Ambil nilai Z tu. 1.2, 2, 1.2, 2, 1. Faham? 1.2, 2, 1, 1.2, 2, 1. Can understand how I'm getting this? This is the important part. 1.2, 2, 1. Okay. So, going down, I'm going to go down to write the answer. 1.221. So, going to our question just now. What is the nilai for M? So, the M is 1.221. 1.221. Okay. Okay, next question. C. Okay, diberi, here you are given your mean is 4. Standard deviation 0.8. Okay, cari H. Find the H. Jika, if X lebih besar daripada H sama dengan 0.9764. Okay, see here. Ni ialah X. Okay, if X means, memang you cannot solve, tak boleh solve. Jadi, step 1 was what? Step 1, you must Z-kan. You must change to Z. Isn't it? Step 1 Z-han kan? Z kan. You must Z-kan the thing. So, how to tukar kepada Z? Formula Z ialah X minus the mean divide by standard deviation. So, you must use this formula. So, change to Z first. Okay, X, what is the X? Always remember the neighbor is your X. Okay, if they write here Z like this, so the neighbor is the H. Actually the H is the Z, like that. You must always take the neighbors, okay? Because sometimes students like, teacher, how to know what is my X? Just take the neighbor. Who is the neighbor here? H, isn't it? This will be H lah. Okay, the neighbors play a role here. Okay, jiran memainkan peranan di sini. Okay, so H tolak dengan the mean bahagi the sisihan piawai sama dengan 0.9764. Okay, kita ada mean tak? Do we have our mean or not? God, we have, which is 4. Okay, do we have the standard deviation? Ada 0.8. Okay. Step 1, done. Dah tukar kepada Z already. Okay, what is step 2? Step 2, kena lukis. You must draw. Draw the 2 graphs. Okay, let's draw 2 graphs. One on the left side. Satu lagi on the right hand side. Okay, draw the bell shape. Lukis bentuk loceng. Ni bentuk hidung lah kan. Okay, lepas tu do one straight line on the left, straight line on the right. Okay, kemudian tengok ni, lebih besar. Lebih besar means you must shade. Lorekkan ke bahagian kanan. Shade to the right. Like that. Shade to the right. Okay. Then see the luas. This is the luas, isn't it? The area. Okay, look at the area. Which one looks like 0.974? Yang mana nampak macam 0.9764? A ke B? Yang mana nampak macam 0.9764? Which one looks like 0.9764? A. Very good. A, yeah? Okay, so this one, we're going to cancel the B. Cut. We don't want the B. We only focus on A. So what we're going to do? Here what we should write. Ni kena tulis apa? Tulis the Z. What is our Z? Follow the neighbor. The neighbor is H minus 4 divide 0.8. Betul tak? Tu ialah neighbor kita. Tapi it's on the left hand side kan? Dia berada di sebelah kiri. So you must put negative. Because it's on the left of the graph kan? Okay. So sekarang step 3. Step 3, draw the nostrils. Lukis lubang. Okay, jom lukis both sides. Left satu, right satu. Okay, which lubang we must choose? Which nostril kena pilih? Yang sebelah kiri, the left hand side, or the sebelah kanan one? Kiri or kanan, left or right? Which nostrils we must choose? Step 3, must see the lubang hidung. Kiri or kanan, left or right? The lubang, the nostril, you must always see what? You must always see which is smaller than 0.5. Yang mana nampak macam kurang daripada 0.5. Cannot be right. Cannot be the right one. Kita nak. This one is 0.9764 kan? The luas. So the nostril, remember not? The nostril teacher asked you all to choose what? Smaller, kecil daripada 0.5. Which one nostril looks like kurang daripada 0.5? Here, isn't it? The left one. The left lah yang nampak macam kurang daripada 0.5. Remember this. Nostrils, the lubang hidung, you choose smaller than area lah. Area smaller than 0.5. Okay. Very important, because if let's say you choose 0.9764 kan, you go to the jadual, you won't get the answer 0.9764. Memang tak ada. So you have to choose the left one, kiri. Okay, kita choose luas yang kurang daripada 0.5. Jadi, apa luas dekat sebelah sini? What is the luas here? You must take 1 tolak 0.9764. Okay, 1 minus 0.9764. I'm getting 0.0236. So step 4. Step 4, go to the jadual, pergi kepada jadual, cari 0.0236. Cari the luas. Luas means you must cari from the middle of the table. Go to the table, find 0.0236. Okay, 0.0236. Where is it? 0.0236. 0.023. 0.023. Okay, here 239, 233. Can see? 239, 233. Of course, cannot choose 233. Okay, we go for 239. Okay, 239 must minus what number to get 236? Kita kena tolak dengan berapa? 239 must tolak with something with 6, isn't it? Behind. Isn't it? Then only can get 2, 3. No, we want 2, 3. What was it we want? Sorry, 2, 3, 6. Oh, kita nak 2, 3, 6. 0.0236. Kita nak 0.0236. So must tolak with what? 3, right? 9 tolak 3, then only can get 6, isn't it? Okay, so the behind one you must choose 3 lah. Minus 0.003. 0003. When you minus only, you get exactly like you want. 0.0236. Again, first you choose yang paling dekat. 0.0239. Tapi yang kita nak ialah 0.0236. So, kita tolaklah dengan 3. We minus 3 means we get 236. Okay, let's see what is the nilai dekat paksi. Okay, for the one at the paksi, the nilai is 1.9. Okay, 1.98. 1.985. Okay, 1.985. That's what we getting. Following 1.985. Okay, so I'm going to go to the answer just now. Okay, so what I get? Okay, this one, yang bahagian ni ialah 1.985. So you take that answer, negative h minus 4 over 0.8 is 1.985. Okay, so from here we find the h. Kita cari h. Okay, the negative teacher bring to the other side, bawa ke sebelah sana. H tolak 4. Negative 1.985. Okay, cross multiply, darab silang. H minus 4. Negative 1.588. Okay, 2.4, 2.412 H. Okay, 2.412. You got your H already. Okay, don't worry, we still got another 4 more questions to practice regarding cari nilai Z. Okay, cari nilai Z. Don't worry, we can complete it. Okay. Shall we go to the next questions? We do the questions. 4 more soalan kat sini. So far ada soalan? Anything to ask? Okay, let's cuba teacher 2 minutes. Okay. Teacher, why got negative? Oh, the negative is on the left side of the graph. The negative kan here 0, right? You can see here 0. So anything on the left of the graph here all will be -1, -2, like that one. So that's why it's negative. Okay. Okay, we go to questions. Okay. Find the Z score. Cari the Z. Okay, if you look at first question. Okay, 1A. Okay, do I need to do step 1 tak? Perlu buat step 1 or not? Tukar kepada Z? No need. Why no need? Because here already, it is already in Z, isn't it? So step 1 boleh skip. Tak payah tukar ke bentuk Z. Okay, step 2, lukis. Draw your graph. Okay, draw 2 graphs. Memang always you start drawing 2 graph. Draw the bentuk loceng. Satu letak garis dekat sebelah kiri, lagi satu letak kat sebelah kanan. On the left and on the right. Okay, after that, see this one. Bigger than. Lebih besar means you must shape to the right. So go to the right like that. Okay. After that, see this one. The area. 0.34. Which one looks like 0.3? Cannot be the first one lah, because the first one is already very big than 0.5, isn't it? The luas. So the first one cannot be. It must be this. So here the area is 0.3464. Okay, here what I must write? I must write Z. I follow this. Okay, follow this. If here they write M means you write M. But they write Z means tulis Z, kita tulis Z juga. Okay, here will be positive, because it's sebelah kanan, what? Positive. Okay, step 3. Step 3, draw the nostrils. Lubang. Okay, do lubang both sides. Sebelah kiri and sebelah kanan. Which one the lubang is lebih kecil? Smaller than 0.5. Yang mana lubang dia lebih kecil daripada 0.5? Of course, the right side lah. Yang sebelah kanan. This one, isn't it? So, you maintain lah. This is the luas you kena cari. So, step 4. Go to jadual. Pergi ke table. Go to the table and find 0.3464. Find the area. 0.3464. Okay, jom kita pergi kepada jadual. Cari 0.3464. 3464. 0.3464. 346. Okay. 3446 cannot. 3483. Okay, looks like teacher have to take 3483. Okay, but just now what we want? 0.3464, isn't it? Okay, but now teacher got what number? 0.3483. So minus what number means I will get 3464. Kena tolak dengan nombor berapa? 464. Kena tolak dengan 19. Got 19? Yeah, looks like we have 19 there. Here, 19. So you minus and see, you getting or not? 0.0019. 0.3483 minus 0.0019. 3464. You getting exactly right? Okay, so since boleh dapat exactly, we see what is the paksi, yeah? We see what is the this one. So 3483 and 19, right? So it's going to be 0.3, 0.395. 0.395. Okay, so going back down, you can see the table 0.3, 0.395. Yeah, you can see the table. Okay. So my answer here, I already find my Z. My Z is 0.395, 0.395. How are you all getting clearer? Semakin jelas or not? Is it getting clearer? Okay. Next B, Okay, B. Okay, again, same step. Okay, step 1. Kita perlu Z kan, isn't it? You have to change it to Z. But here the question is already dalam bentuk Z. Jadi tak payah. You don't have to change lah. Okay, so step 1 boleh skip. Pergi kepada step 2. Step 2, what you must do? Lukis. Okay, draw. Lukis the graph first. Okay, lukis 2 graph. Here's that. Here's that. Okay, draw the bell shape. Lukis bentuk bell. Okay, on the left. Lepas tu satu lagi on the right. Lukis garisan. Okay, done. Okay, now look at this. Lebih kecil is smaller than. Okay, if smaller than you have to shade to the left, isn't it? Okay, sebelah kiri macam ni. Sebelah kiri. Going to the left. Okay. So, yang mana, which one is showing the area of 0.0532? Yang mana menunjukkan luas 0.0532. So, cannot be the second one lah. Because second one is already big than 0.5. So, it's this 0.0532. Okay, if that is the one means here you tulis Z. Follow this. Ikut yang kat sana. Kalau sana tulis K, you write K. If there tulis H, you write H. Follow that neighbor there. Okay. Step 3. Lukis the lubang hidung. Nostrils. Okay, lukis 2 lubang kat sini. Satu sebelah kiri, lagi satu sebelah kanan. Okay, which lubang is lebih kecil, smaller than 0.5? Luas dia. Yang mana lebih kecil daripada 0.5? The left hand side kan? Yang ni lah. So kita ikutlah luas yang ni. We're going to find this luas. So step 4, go to jadual, pergi kepada table and find area 0.0532. Pergi ke jadual, cari luas 0.0532. Okay, let's go to the table. Okay, that's fine. 0.0532. Kosong point kosong, 0.0532, isn't it? Okay, 0.0537. Teacher got 0.0537. Okay, if I want to make it 532, teacher nak jadikan dia 0.0532. So, I kena tolak dengan berapa sini? 5, betul tak? Must tolak with 5, right? Okay, so you go behind. See lah which one got the 5 or not. You see which one, if got 5 means, you choose. Okay, so this one, tolak with 5. This one, got 5 got behind. Okay, so what are the values here? Okay, the values will be, kena tengok nicely the paksi, make it smaller a bit. Okay, so 1.615, 1.615, 1.615. Okay, 1.615. So I write down first the answer. Okay, so the Z is 1.615. Okay, but do you realize your graph is sebelah kiri? It's on the left hand side. So here must be negative, isn't it? So this is negative 1.615. It's negative 1.615. So far clear? Like, getting clearer? Super clear already. I hope it's actually super clear already lah, because by now actually you should be able to like if teacher give you a question, you can like jawab already, because you're getting the flow. Kan? Semakin you dapat the flow, semakin you boleh like jawab already. Okay, we have next question. So C. C, teacher do here. Probability Z bigger than equals to small z 0.6704. Okay, first step, kita Z kan dia. Step 1. Okay, tapi dekat sini kita boleh skip the step. Why? Because this is already Z what. So tak payah tukar lah. No need to change to Z Okay. Step 2. Step 2, lukis graph. So lukis, we draw the two graphs. 1 and 2. Here's Z, here's Z. So you must lukis the bentuk loceng lah. You must draw the bell shape. Okay. And then draw line. One is on the left, one is on the right. Memang always like that. Okay. Then look at this. This is bigger than. Bigger than means lebih besar. You shade go to the right side. Pergi ke sebelah kanan. Okay, yang mana menunjukkan luas? Which one is showing the area 0.6704? 0.6 means is bigger than 0.5 already, isn't it? So cannot be this one lah. So it's this 0.6704. So here is your Z, but you put negative. Kenapa negative? Because it's on the left side of the graph. Okay. Step 3. Step ketiga, lukis lubang hidung. Draw the nostrils. So the nostrils, one you draw on the left, one you draw on the right. Which lubang, which hole is smaller, okay, smaller than 0.5? Yang mana lebih kecil daripada 0.5? It's the left side, betul tak? So kalau it's the left side, you kena cari the luas there lah. Take 1, tolak 0.6704. You must cari like that. Okay, so 1 minus 0.6704. 3296. 0.3296. So step 4, go to the jadual, pergi ke jadual, cari luas, find the area 0.3296. Pergi ke jadual, okay, go to your table, cari 0.3296. That's what you must do. Go to the table, find 0.3296. Okay, I'm going to the table. 3296. 3296. 3296. 32. Okay, 3264. 3300. Okay, but teacher want 3. I want 3296. Kan? Teacher nak 3296. Tapi sekarang teacher ada 3300. So kena tolak berapa ni? How much I must minus to get 3296? I must minus 4. Kena tolak dengan 4. Must minus with 4 means, okay, I will get 0.3296. So take this one, okay, lepas tu tolak with 4. Take this one. So what were the things we choose? Apa yang kita pilih? 0.441. Nampak kan? 0.441. So we go back to just now our answer. Question 0.441. So we should get right down here 0.441. So here kita punya Z. Okay. Z kita ialah negative 0.441. Kenapa teacher negative? Because that Z is on the left side. What? Dia berada pada sebelah kiri of the graph. What? So that's why. How so far? Like, can I don't know if Kirtana is still in the class, and how is it so far? Like, getting better or not? Like, can understand or not? Can teacher? Okay. Okay, we have one more, right? D. Okay, D. teacher write the soalan dekat sini Z lebih kecil daripada Z 0.5383. Okay. Step 1 boleh skip, isn't it? No need to do lah because it's already Z what? Sudah already bentuk Z. Okay, step 2 kita lukis. We draw the graph. Okay, we draw two graph. Okay. One side you put on the left like that, another one you put on the right like that. Okay, then you see this is smaller than. Lebih kecil means shade to the left. Lorekkan ke sebelah kiri. Like that. Okay, then see the area here. See the luas, 0.53. Which one looks like 0.53? Okay, cannot be the first one lah, because first one is like smaller, isn't it? So this is the luas here, 0.5383. The area is there. Okay, so I cannot go to the side. Okay. Can see, okay. Next, we're going to do step 3. Okay, step 3, what we need to do? Okay, like this better. Step 3, what we need to do? We need to draw the lubang. We need to draw the hole. Okay, what is the nostrils? Like which part? See for both sides, I use different color. This one, left and right. Which one the hole is lebih kecil, smaller than 0.5, the area? Here, isn't it? Smaller. So smaller means you must use that luas. So 1 tolak 0.5383. You must tolak and get that side one. 1 minus 0.5383. 0.4617. 0.4617. Okay, so you go to your jadual, step 4. Okay, go to your table and find luas 0.4617. Pergi ke jadual, cari 0.4617. Okay. 4617. Okay, let's see. 0.4, what was it? 4617. 0.4464602 cannot. 4617. Okay, I can go for this. Teacher boleh pergi untuk yang ni. Nampak tak? 4641. Okay, but the one teacher wanted, what I wanted just now was 0.4617. Okay, but now I got 4641. So I must minus with how much value? Kena tolak berapa kat sini? 617. Kena tolak 0.0024. Cuba tengok betul tak? Yes, tolak dengan 24. So you must minus with 24. This one. Okay, so your nilai for the Z will be 0.096. 0.096. 0.096. Okay, pergi balik pada soalan. 0.096. Okay, 0.096. 9, 6. So I already find the luas here. Therefore my Z, this is Z kat sini, positif kan. So 0.096. Z. Okay. So we completed finding, okay, jenis-jenis soalan like one of it Z tak diberi, lagi satu Z diberi. So you must know kalau Z tak diberi, they did not give you the Z means you must use the table. They give you Z, you can use calculator. This one also, after you finish already, then you can use calculator and double check whether your answer correct or not. So you must brush up back. Go and brush up back cara nak guna the calculator again. Okay. Okay, so I think that should be all. The last part, right? Okay, that question. Okay, that one we shall just discuss this part. Okay, we shall just discuss this one, solving problem, next class before we start. Or maybe I think I'll do what? I will do this in a TikTok. Okay, teacher buat the jawapan dalam TikTok. Then you guys can see the jalan kerja for this, how to do. Okay, because this one is a combination semua yang kita dah belajar. It's a combination question. Can. Okay, what for now you must focus, apa yang pelajar focus, go back like after this class finish and this next 1 week, do back all this, try the same question, see you can do or you cannot, but don't look at the video, jangan tengok video lagi, do back all this. If you can do without seeing teacher's video, that means you understand already fully. You must practice these two. Ini dua yang students kena practice. Mostly students will confuse this one lah. How to, bila nak guna calculator, bila nak guna table. That part students will get confused. So that's where you practice that one. Okay. Then the last part teacher will show it using TikTok. And next class we can go to chapter 6. Oh, trigonometry. Okay. Okay, so we end our class until here. I'll see you all this one soon. Form 5, study smart. Don't wait until last minute to do your practices, okay? Buat setiap hari. Every day try to spend 2 hours. Cuba spend 2 jam buat at maths. Okay? Sure can. You all sure can. I just wish you all nothing but the best, okay? Okay, so kita stop sampai sini. I'll see you all next week. Do take care, stay safe. You all going back hometown or anything next week since it's the election coming up. Do take care, right? Okay. Have a good night. Bye.